Hello to another cooking show with the Tater Cowgirls, and today I have a vegan Mexican recipe for you, which I revived. I once had it at Chevy's, but not vegan, so our Chevy's closed unfortunately, so I couldn't ask them for the recipe, but I tweaked it vegan. And I want to show you, it's so good. It's artichoke, hearts, enchilada bake. And stay with me, we get started right away. I heated my pan, or I didn't. I wanted to, I didn't. So we have to have a little water in my pan because we want to water saute 2 cloves of garlic, bigger cloves, and half an onion. So I let that heat up a little, and pour it in. We're getting our kitchen remodeled soon. I'm so excited. I hate these old cabinets. I couldn't paint it anymore. So we are trying to remodel our kitchen. It's gonna be cool. It'll be a grand opening Tater Cowgirl cooking show once I have the kitchen in here. We are still in the planning stage though. See what kind we need. I want a kind of a white one, antique white maybe with butcher block countertops maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not into the granite, so I don't know. They get ugly if you don't seal them all the time, and you know. I still have kids at home, so I want something durable. I stayed with my weight. Oh, I should say that. I'm using almond cheese today, vegan cheese, cheddar style. And if you don't want to use it because you're on a strict weight loss diet, just leave it out. It's nothing that has to be in the enchilada bake, okay? It's just for me, I put it on top. It's, you know, I lost 118 pounds and I can do it. I packed down 6 pounds when I was in Washington, never got rid of it, but I feel better. It feels like I have more muscles now. I go swimming every lunch break at work and build up my muscles, because I noticed when I lost all this weight, my muscles were gone too, and that's not good. I was really weak for a while. Okay, let's get that glassy a little. But you also, I have my oven 375, so you can do that already. And I have chopped spinach. You can either chop fresh one. I have frozen one, which I thawed here. Yeah, oops. So this is just frozen spinach thawed, which I need. I ate that at Chevy's the first time. It was so good. I wasn't a vegan then. I doubt it was vegan. It was probably vegetarian. I think it said vegetarian, but I'm trying to make it vegan. Okay, maybe a little bit more water to get it a little glassier. Yeah, now looking good. You see it, yeah. I prepared all my stuff, so then you don't have to watch me chopping. The next stuff that goes in is frozen yellow corn. Sweet corn, petite sweet corn I use. Here, that one. That one, and bird's eye. That needs to continue water sauteed a little. Then the next we will fill in is 2 cups of navy beans, white navy beans. And these are 2 cups of artichoke hearts, quartered. I squished them a little to make them smaller, you know, like this big enough. The other thing we need are olive slices. Again, if you don't want to use olive slices because they contain oil, just don't do it, okay? I also have 2 cans of this enchilada sauce, which is roasted garlic, which is vegan and gluten-free, non-GMO, medium spicy. So I use 2 green chili enchilada sauce. And I have pico de gallo, if you have one. I put that a little for garnish mostly. And I think on the spinach, yeah, I think that's it. That's all I need. For tortillas, I use the corn tortillas, oil-free. Corn tortillas are easier to get oil-free. Flour tortillas, I only find some Trader Joe's now and then. Sometimes Snowpill has them. I'll use those corn tortillas. They are good enough. When I layered out, oops, there's a corn in there. A glass casserole with 6 corn tortillas overlapping. What I can do now already, I sprinkle a little bit of my vegan almond cheese on it. And again, you don't have to do it. It tastes, I had it without cheese and it's just fine. Okay, a bit more water. Okay, it looks good. So we put the beans in it. Oh, the other thing we need is rice, brown rice. I had some left over. Let's do that first. Okay. I have to go. Brown rice. To microwave, it had to go because of the expiration date. Actually, you can dump it right in. To heat it up. Okay. Put in a tiny little bit pico de gallo with cilantro and tomato, just a little bit. Then we get our artichokes in. Oops. Let's put that away and we have more space. Big pieces I can squish still a little. Squish them in. That is so good, I swear to God. I think they called it farmer enchilada. I'm not sure. I call it artichoke enchilada. I tweaked it differently a little, veganized it. Okay. And then I have my spinach that goes in. It's like a chopped frozen packet of spinach. And we heat this whole thing up. And let it simmer down a little. It doesn't have to get really boiling hot because we put it in the oven. Everything in there is cooked already. Actually, we can put the enchilada sauce. One of these cans, it's 15 ounces, enchilada sauce goes in. Simmer. Now let me try if I need a little more salt. All I have is sodium low, so yeah, take a little bit more salt. Quarter teaspoon maybe. Pepper. Try it again. Good. You know what? I put some of the sliced olives in there too. I don't need all, for just a few for garnish, so I don't want to leave them open. It's the first time I never did that before, but I like olives in that recipe. Sliced olives. Okay, it's coming up to boil. And what we do is, I put it here and you see it better. You pack it in here. Yeah, perfect. Don't let it, you know, cook down too much. You don't want it all mushy. It's a nice chili verde with artichoke hearts. Probably get another little tray done. Doesn't look like I need it all, but that's okay. Just smear it out, you know, cover everything. Yeah, I think this girl gets I get another tray going here. Okay, then we need another layer of tortilla chips, tortillas, not tortilla chips, corn tortillas, overlaying. Oops. We put, I have another can enchilada sauce, which I use probably a third of it. I like to ladle it over the tortillas. Okay. Then put some cheese on top. Yes, again, you don't have to do it. It works without cheese as well. Just like it with cheese. This is vegan cheese, almond cheese. I think it's Miyokos. Yeah. I take the whole, you know what? I should keep a little bit for that. Yeah. Alright. Spread a little pico de gallo on top. A little for the eye. Some sliced, not too much, just a little bit. It looks nice. See it? Now we put it in the oven. Look at it. artichoke hearts enchilada bake. It goes in the oven 375 for 30 to 35 minutes depending on your oven. And I will see you when it's done. See you later. We're back and we are looking in the oven now and see how our artichoke enchilada bake that is doing. It's piping hot in here. Ooh. Make it. This the cookie sheet. It's hot. Don't hurt yourself when you take that out. I would suggest to wait a little bit. See the tortillas are a little nice brown and crunchy on the side. Ooh, that looks good. Get a plate here. See if I can get something out. It's still boiling in there. So I recommend to wait really 10 minutes before you eat it at home. Let's see. Get a knife. A knife. Yeah, through. Get a nice corner out here. Let's see how I can do this. It's about for 6 people at least. Yeah, looking good to me. See, it's not sticking to the bottom, nothing. Just want to get everything here. The rest I really let it soak a little, but I want to try it for you. That's why I took some out. Enchilada, artichoke enchilada, chicken bake, whole plant based. Now let's try it. Very good. Very, very good. Very easy, very healthy, very good. See you next weekend to another cooking show with Tater Cowgirls, unless we say California. Peace out. Bow.